Hello everyone, today I will show you how I turn Taylor Swift into an anime character. So first of all, I did the sketch, the preliminary sketch, and then I start the inking. Sometimes I like to use the linear for the symmetry. You can stylize the face, like you can make the eyes a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. Also the eyelashes, you can choose to put them or not to.
Dark Side exclusive.
For the ears, you don't need to know all the tunnels and the anatomy, just a few representative lines. Then for the leaves there you can stylize as much as you want. For the beginners I would suggest to follow similar to the photo. For the hair, first it's important to cover the large areas, and then if you want to be in trend you can put more strings of hair. For example, in this one I put the general base, but you can split into multiple. Then the coloring phase, it's important to put the area that covers the area scaling a little bit bigger, so it covers still the lines.
Sitting eyes wide open behind these four walls, hoping you will call. It's just a cruel existence, like there's no point hoping at all. Baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night and every day. Give me something, no, but you say nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be living in vain, and I don't wanna fit wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. it's wide open. I got one thing stuck in my mind. Wondering if I dodged a bullet or just lost the love of my life. Oh, baby, baby, I feel crazy up all night and every day. I gave you something, but you gave me nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I'll be living in vain. And I don't wanna fit wherever. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name until you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name.
Now guys, we're approaching the end. If you have any questions, please let me know.
Just wanna keep calling your name.
Also subscribe, and if you have any request, write down in the comments. Hope you learned something, and see you next
I feel
time.
crazy up all night and every day. I gave you something, but you gave me nothing. What is happening to me? I don't wanna live